Okay, so here's my personal real estate technology soapbox. So, for the last 30 years, CRMs have used things called merge fields, and they're like these little bracketed things that pull information from inside the system and place it into messages. Oftentimes, it's like, Dear first name, right? And then they go, I included the first name. That means it's personalized. And they like high five themselves and they move on with their life. And then every single person who receives that email is like, that's not personalized. They just sent me a mass email. Well, inside my software, I have solved this for you. So if this is an issue that you find yourself struggling with, dealing with, and as you're trying to build relationships, it's just simply not doing it, this one's for you. Okay, so inside SAM, the Systems Accelerator Manager, we have a contact database as well as property databases. Today, what we're going to be doing is looking at the contact database because this is the key function in the CRM. So inside this, it's just like every other CRM. It's got information fields, but you can do some other really cool things. This is something that your CRM probably does, but does absolutely nothing with, and it's personal details. These are the details that you learn about your client while you're working with them. But your CRM is probably got it behind like 6 different drop-down windows, and it doesn't do anything with it. So if you decided that you wanted this information, you would have to go find it. Then you would have to go personally decide what you're going to do with it. So let me show you how SAM changes that. We're going to go all the way back up to the top, and I'm going to send this contact a message. Now, inside SAM, we can actually ask SAM to help us create messages. And for this specific one, I am going to have it write a birthday message using those personal details. Now, watch what happens when I hit submit. SAM is going to write me a message that is custom to this specific person using those details that it has inside the personal messages. Now think about how much more personalized this is than just simply using this one merge field and then everything else is the exact same as every other person you've ever sent that message to. At the end of the day, real estate is all about building relationships. That is how we are successful in business. We build good relationships, we continue to nurture them, and if you are using things like merge fields, and that is the extent of your personalized experience, you are going to be letting little things slip through the cracks that could easily be overcome, and you probably would have higher open rates, you probably would have better clients, and you might even have more repeat referral business, which everyone loves. So if you think this is something that you would like to use inside your business, visit sam.workflowsecrets.info. You can get 14 days of free access in here, start building out as much as you want, and then at the end of it, you are going to have all of these really incredible personalized things that you can use in your business, even if you decide that we are not the system for you. But I doubt that that's going to happen. I'll see you inside.